In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your aloe vera leaf into your aloe vera spray for extreme hair growth and length retention. And all it takes is just one process, trust me. Now, I know I said it takes one process, but I love to soak my aloe vera overnight because soaking it will help, especially people with sensitive skin. If you notice that aloe vera used to itch you when you spray it on your hair, then it could be because of that yellow thing that comes out when you cut fresh aloe vera leaves. That is called latex, and that is also known as aloe vera poison. So when you soak aloe vera for a while, say between 30 to 1 hour, and in my own case in this video I actually soaked mine for overnight, what you would notice is that the itchiness disappears. All right, so yeah. Now if you've never had issues with aloe vera itching your scalp or anything, then there's no need for you to soak it. However, please ensure that you're washing it, still wash it so that you remove the dirt and all of that. Okay, and now time to extract the gel. So you can either use Ferg to extract it, just the way that I am doing, or blend it, however way that you choose to do it. The day that I was doing this, there was no light, so that is why I'm using my Ferg to scrape it. All right, assuming there was light, I would have gone ahead to blend it and even add more water, because when I'm using aloe vera for hairspray as a leave-in hairspray, I love it to be more watery than jelly. Okay, so I'm done scraping and transforming my aloe vera plant into my aloe vera gel. Now I'm going to sieve it. This part is also very necessary, even if you blended yours with a blender. Okay, sieving it is going to help because there's still some particles that you will see at the top. Once you sieve it, you will see it definitely, and those particles can stuck on your hair if you don't follow this part, which is sieving. Okay, so this is what the aloe vera juice looks like. Now don't be alarmed, the one I'm actually going to be using to moisturize my hair is not going to look this color, but it's still the same aloe vera juice. So hey sis, hope you're still watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Let's continue. So guys, this is what my hair was looking like. I'm going to tell you the reason why you should never joke with aloe vera in this video. Just keep on watching. And do you see the way I was itching my scalp? Yeah. I washed my hair a few days ago and I didn't have the time to moisturize my hair, and that made my scalp to feel dry and itchy. So sis, let me tell you, if you're really serious about growing your natural hair, or you're tired of your natural hair being dry and brittle, then please don't joke with this aloe vera. I'm not even playing. This plant is too powerful for you to ignore. Aloe vera is like the miracle for natural hair, and not just natural hair. Do you know that ages ago they used aloe vera to heal so many diseases? But that is a story for another day. Aloe vera is full of moisture, and if we're being honest, we'll know that that is exactly what our hair desperately crave for, especially if your hair gets dry fast, just like mine used to. Now once you start using aloe vera, you're going to notice your hair becomes soft and juicy, and that crunchy and stiff texture will slowly disappear. And guess what? Your scalp is not left out. You saw the way I was itching my scalp before. Yeah. Aloe vera also works wonders there too. It helps to get rid of dandruff, itchiness, and product buildup, so that your scalp can actually breathe and grow healthy. A clean and healthy scalp is the foundation of hair growth, despite the fact that a lot of people are ready to argue with this notion. But for real, a clean scalp will always result to healthy hair growth. Don't forget that. Now here is the juicy part for me when it comes to using aloe vera. Aloe vera has enzymes that help to promote hair growth by waking up your hair follicle and improving blood flow. Plus it reduces breakage. I can't overemphasize that. Now here is the truth. Sometimes our hair is growing but it keeps cutting off, and aloe vera will help to retain that length. It's going to help stop that rubbish. And the best part is that you don't even need to break the bank. Baby, you don't need to break the bank to get this amazing benefit. Okay, all you just need is a fresh aloe vera, blend it, strain it, and you're good to go. In fact, there are different ways that you can use aloe vera for your hair or on your hair for extreme hair growth. Now you can either convert it to your oil where you infuse it with some carrier oil, and it becomes a very potent oil for your hair growth. You can use it in your deep conditioner. You can use it to make your hair growth butter. You can as well make it as a mask for your hair, or just spray it directly to your hair, just as I am doing in this video. Trust me, however way that you choose to use aloe vera for your hair, you're going to still enjoy the maximum benefits. Personally, I use aloe vera for so many things. Like, I use it to formulate my leave-in conditioner. I use it when I'm doing my deep conditioner too. Like, I like to throw it in. Unless I don't have aloe vera plants around, then I skip it. But if I have, you bet I'm gonna throw it in. Aloe vera has been a major contributor to the length and health of my children's hair, including my hair as well. Guys, I mean, if you go online and you search how to grow hair naturally at home, I bet aloe vera is going to rank either number 2 or 3 in that list. This is just to show you that this plant is so potent that, like, it doesn't even cost anything. You probably have aloe vera plants and you don't know what to do with it, and that is what I'm telling you. Like, if you have aloe vera plants, even if you don't have, you can get like the juice, the aloe vera juice from the store. Like, I even prefer to use aloe vera juice on my hair when I'm doing like a hairspray, unless I need like the gel, okay, to detangle my hair or to make a leave-in conditioner. Otherwise, if it's just to spray on our hair, I love to blend it so I can add water and turn it to aloe vera juice instead of the gel. Okay, yeah sis. If you're finding value from this content, please don't forget to hit the like button, okay? I really appreciate you. So sis, make aloe vera your bestie. Be consistent with it and you will see the difference. I mean, your hair is going to thank you later. However, sis, when you're using aloe vera as your leave-in hairspray, it is mandatory, not the word, mandatory, that you go ahead and seal your hair with a sealant. In this video, I am using a DIY hair growth butter, and I tell you, this butter is a game changer. If you use this butter on your hair together with this aloe vera, you're going to see, let me not talk too much. A video of how I made this hair butter is going to come up soon. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe so that when I drop that video, you'll be first to get notified. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a massive thumbs up. Have you tried aloe vera on your hair? Will you be trying aloe vera on your hair? I would love to hear your opinion down in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way next time, my name is Favor. Please take care of yourself and bye.